Good morning, everyone. If you're hopping in and watching this, then it's a replay. So type hashtag replay, that will bump up the video again for others to see. If you're hopping in live, say hi. Happy Friday. As you all know, I have my training scheduled for today and tomorrow. So yesterday it was really fun. Like, even though it was like, I think it was around 1 hour, but still it was like a lot of fun. I can imagine how it would have been if it was in person, but unfortunately because of corona, anyway, it is virtual. But I'm glad I get to still attend and share with everybody. So today I'm so excited because today the first training itself is from Jasmine Star. She's one of the world's what is it, like, top photographers, and she's like a big social media person. She has like many social media trainings and other things. So her training starts at 9 p.m. PST, which is around 12. So I have time till 11:30 to finish all my day's work and hop on, and then I have 8 hours of training today, and then again another 8 hours for tomorrow. And there are going to be new products released, so look for those. And let me go ahead and show what I have done for my eye look for the day. I have used natural tan as my color corrector, and my sari is kind of an orangish. So what I did is I did americano in my crease, and then I have used the fairy coral shimmer, if you remember, because it's almost exactly the same shade as my sari. So I have used it on my lid as a all over shade. As I said, you can do as light or as dark as possible. So even though the tube looks what is it, like too corally, I have used like two light layers and achieved the color. So that's the one I have used. I have talked about americano, and then I have used lapis glitter on my outer corner alone, because this saree had like a blue and purple kind of, so I have used blue. And because, as I said, our training is scheduled for some time, and we call it Sana Blue. So our dress code is always either animal print or blue. So I have used the blue as my eyeshadow for here, the lapis glitter. And then I have used warm buttercup shimmer, because this had a gold, so I have used it all over my lid. I think if it is outside in sunlight, you will see how pretty this shade is. It is like a nice what is it, like a warm, like a nice yellow shade with the glitters in it. So that's the one I have used on top of the fiery color shimmer. That's why it reduced a little bit of that orangish shade. And then I have used the sapphire shimmer, which is a blue. As I said, our most of our products are in this either blue, so we call it Sana Blue. So anything you see will be around blue in our products. That's why even the caps and everywhere it used to be. So that's why I have used, because once it's finished I will change into a dress, but I will still have my eye look alone. So I have used that. And I have used both Lash Sense and what is that, 3-in-1 lash primer and the non-waterproof mascara for the day. And I am going to um, start my lip look for the day. I have picked Peacock Pearl. I will show you how it looks. I'm cleaning my lips so that there is anything in the lips. And there are two shades you can do. If you want it to be darker, you can do metallic plum, which is like a dark purple with glitters in it. So that I can do too. Or I can do Peacock Pearl. Peacock Pearl is one of my favorite. Even though it is little lighter, it has lot of glitters to it, and it is like a teal glitter, so it's not like any other gold glitter or anything. It has like a teal glitter to it. So that's the color I'm going to do. Usually I'll wait till somebody pops on to pick the shades, but today, as I said, after this I have to log on for my training, so I'm going to do this lip look for today. And all the packages are packed and ready, so I'm going to drop it off in the post office. So I will do it, or else I can ask my husband to drop off, but you should receive um, your tracking details today. But I'm going to hold on to what you are receiving because I want to have it that mystery feeling. So let me go ahead with Peacock Pearl's first layer. Peacock Pearl is little thinner consistency, so I'm going to do first layer now. It's a really pretty shade. It's like a purple, but I wish you can see the glitter to it. You can see it in a person or in sunlight. I will see whether I can have it. I can swatch it to show you guys. So that's the first layer. So always let it sit for some time. What it does is, as I always talk about it, it has like a cosmetic grade alcohol to it, SD40. So it's going to evaporate and leave it like a thin layer of the lip color. So that way it won't feel sticky, or it won't feel streaky at all when you apply the next layers. So I'm going to go ahead with my next layer now. And with Lip Sense, you always have the freedom of how much layers you want. If you think you are good with the color already built in, you can leave it even with the second layer. I like to overline my lips. That's way you will see your lip a little bit bigger. So that's my second layer. You can see it's a light and pretty shade. Let me see whether I can swatch it to show you the glitters here. It's a really what is it, like a sheer shade, sheer consistency shade. What it means is each color is formula is a little different. So if the color says sheer, that means it will be little thinner in consistency. Some of them will be in thicker, particularly if it is a matte shade. Sometimes it tends to be thicker, but these shades are like really thin consistency. You can see it has a lot of glitters to it, and I'm going to use Tahitian pearl to seal it. This is another gloss which I really love, because when you have a pearl finish, it adds like a metallic sheen to it. So let me go ahead and do my third and final layer. Always make sure to do your waterline, because that's where it starts breaking easily, because obviously when you have saliva and the food that is oily or something, then the color will start breaking out. So this is my third and final layer. So that's the shade I was looking for. It's a, what is it, like, it's purple, but still it's not like a very bold purple. So because that's what I wanted for the saree, because the whole saree has like a dual shade to it. So I wanted something that has a metallic finish too. So peacock pearl is one of a very good color for a metallic sheen. I would say red ruby has that finish because um, frost colors tend to have a metallic finish too, but I wanted something that has still shows the color and has that finish. You can see, even though I didn't seal it yet, still you can see that glitter, like a two different glitters to it. So I'm going to use Tahitian pearl on top. Do you see the pearl finish it gives with the when compared to the normal color? Tahitian pearl can be worn on its own too. So that's the look I was going for today, because I wanted the purple to show off when I finish the look. So I want to let it sit for some time, because with lip tints and even the makeup, I like it when it sits more. Because it gets absorbed and your lips will be nicely moisturized, and it finishes the complete look. So hope you all are enjoying your Friday. Have a wonderful weekend. I will be anyway posting the about the training and also the new releases, so look for those. I have seen one red and one what is it, like white glitter shadow. So look for those. I think anytime they will release it in the morning. Once they release it, I will be able to share the pictures and all. So have a wonderful day. See you all soon.